Back in 2013, we decided we were going to plant some Spectabilis, a variety of running bamboo in our backyard that we wanted to plant so that we could block that house right there. We put in a root barrier and we contained it properly. We did it in the form of a C with a trench in the front, so when the roots came out that trench, we could clip them off. So we excitedly got the bamboo, we planted them, and my daughter helped out. It was a lot of fun, and when we were finished, it looked like that. Okay, so 1 year later, in 2014, it looked like this. Not much different, but we were soon to find out that it was going to grow pretty fast from here on out. So here are the new culms that started to come up in 2014, 1 year after planting it. And then the roots, you could see them spreading there. And then the culms got, between 4 to 6 inches taller each day. Here's just a few days later. And then here's a few days later than that even. And as you can see, this bamboo is growing fast and aggressive. So a little bit later than that, maybe toward the end of the summer, I think it was in the fall, I decided to put in a retaining wall because my garden was falling into the trench, and also I wanted another wall of protection for these roots. So this will be in the front. And even with this retaining wall, I started getting really worried about this bamboo taking over, and I tore all of it out, and I planted some clumping bamboo, and that's what you now see here. So this is what the clumping bamboo looked like after 1 year. The 3 in the middle are Robustas, and the 2 on the ends are Scabridas. You can see it's not even close to the size of the running bamboo, and it will only get about half the size of the running bamboo. But still, at this point, I had peace of mind knowing that the bamboo would not escape. So here it is 1 year later in 2017. As you can see, after 2 years, it thickened up considerably and looks much, much nicer. I'll show you quite a bit of footage here from 2017. You can see that it's thick. I mean, look at all the new growth coming out of there. All those ones that haven't leafed out yet, those are new growth. And it was starting to really come into its own, get colorful, get robust, get thick. And I'm thinking, yeah, I made a good choice here. And so then in 2018, I decided to thin it out a little bit and clean it up a little bit, which is what I'm doing here. Tearing out all the bushiness on the inside, and then also cutting off the weak stems. And this is what I ended up with after thinning them out. Created a nice see-through bamboo forest there on the side of my house. But at this point, it still was not blocking the neighbor's house. So now in 2019, this is what I have. A beautiful, robust bamboo hedge that is coming close now to blocking my neighbor's windows. Check it out.